Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share to you another kind of healthy soup. This is corn and carrot soup. So we need sweet almonds, dry dates, dried sweet bamboo. These are all kind of Chinese herbs. Dried conch, and of course the carrot and the corn. So this guys is very simple. You just put them all inside the pot. It's very healthy. And we just need to add some water. We're going to simmer for 3 hours because this soup is long soup. So this is our soup guys, it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to subscribe and God bless.